platform you're going to use, I would say there is like a bit of learning curve to it. Figma was quite easy at the end of the day in comparison to like Webflow and all of that ones. There is also like Notion that you can use to create your portfolio. My first ever serious product design portfolio was created in Notion. Will I create my portfolio in Notion now? Maybe not, and here's why. It's just because there's just so much competition and people have a lot of flying portfolios. So I want my portfolio, even if it's not flying, to at least have some like semblance of what the current portfolio is. If you're like a user researcher where you're doing like more of research things, Notion might be great for you. But if you're a designer, you also want to show like your design skills. Remember I said keep all of your creativity for your portfolio. Yeah, so now here is where you want to sort of explore and show your design skills, show your personality in your portfolio as well. Let your navigations be working well in your portfolio. How do people navigate in your portfolio? Treat your portfolio like a product, like a problem that you're trying to solve, that you want people to come and buy this product. That's how you should treat your portfolio. Once I come to your portfolio, what emotions do you want to invoke in me? How am I able to navigate through your portfolio? Is it easy for me to go back and forth? Is it easy for me to scroll? Is it easy for me to look through all of the different areas that you've listed in your portfolio? That is how you should be thinking about your portfolio. When you're writing your case study, don't write just long stories. No, let's find a way to sort of frame your case study. Give a summary at the top, tell them what the problem was, set context. The interviewer, the recruiter, the design manager, all of the people that are interviewing you were not there when you're doing that project. And so you need to set context for them to understand what situation you were exactly in. If something happened while you're working on the project, they needed to move you out of the project, or the developer said, we cannot do this because of this, put everything in there as constraints, because that means that you are able to fight your way through constraints and get to like a definite solution. Now, I'm not talking about all of the tiny sticky notes. If you do not do sticky notes, don't add sticky notes. I think that's one thing that a lot of people miss. Everyone thinks like the design process is the same thing, but the truth is the design process is different for every project. The way you redesign a website or redesign a feature is very, very different from the way you design a feature from scratch. They're like two different things. If you are redesigning a feature, you might want to do like an audit first of the current feature. What works, what does not work, what do people right now? Did you interview people? But if you're designing like something from scratch, you probably want to talk to people first and know, oh, is this actually a problem? It is two different things. So show that in your portfolio. Again, your portfolio should not be too wordy. Find a way to incorporate images as well, or even videos as well. Some people have like very good video portfolio. It all depends on you, but add your personality into the portfolio. I hope this helps, and do not forget to follow me for more tips and tricks, and I'll see you in the next one.